DigitalBix fashions. In the modern times, a biker jacket exudes bang on attitude, surpassing the age-old significance of keeping riders protected from injuries. Classic cropped or embellished, this style perfectly blends cool and tough vibes. Here is the list of top 5 best biker jackets for men in India. Number 1. Ron. Young and fashionable, Ron is one of the best jacket brands that exhibits quirky designs into your everyday wardrobe. Co-owned by Virat Kohli and founded in 2004, Ron stocks the funkiest motifs, colors and patterns in its collection. Number 2. Levi's. Founded in 1853, Levi's went from being a workman's outfit to a nationwide sensation with its durable clothing. Termed as the most legendary American brand for denim, Levi's is a symbol of rebellion and toughness. Number 3. Flying Machine. The largest denim producer in India and third largest in the world, Flying Machine is India's first homegrown denim brand. It targets today's millennials with its rugged and youthful appeal. Number 4. Roadster. Myntra launched its own private label Roadster in 2007 to offer contemporary styles to urban men and women. The brand reinvents its collection season after season to manage the change in trends. Number 5. Harvard. University Harvard joined hands with e-retailer Myntra in 2014 to sell its exclusive apparel line in India. The brand focuses on offering on-campus wear and smart casuals. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.